Hello, my name is Neeraj, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about how we can store 2 byte variable values in a single short variable. So let's get started. So as we already know that byte ranges values from 0 to 127. Okay, so yeah, so the maximum positive value we can store in a single byte will be 0 to 127. So if there is any requirement to store that range, so we can store in a single short variable instead of taking or managing 2 bytes. So we can manage those values in a single short variable. So how we can do this? So let's see. So first of all, we will take 2 byte variable. Let's say byte 1, and in byte 1 we have 125 values, and byte 2 we have 127. Okay, so basically we have third short variable. So in this short, where we will store these 2 byte. So how we can do that? So byte 1 values, I will, whether it is byte 2 or byte 1. Okay, so one of the byte will get shifted to the left hand side. As you can see, short have 2 byte, can have 2 byte. So byte 1, byte 2. So maybe it's byte 1 or byte 2. So one of the byte will get shifted to the left side of the short variable. Okay, so just assume that we are going to shift 8 left to byte 1. Okay, so I'm choosing to shift 8 byte to byte 1 variable. So yeah, so let's shift. So byte 1, for shifting we will use shift operator, left shift operator. Okay, 8 bytes. So we are shifting 8 bytes, so that is why I am writing here 8. Okay, and after that we have to cast to short. Okay, right. So we have done it here. Okay, also we have to, we have shifted back 8 byte to the left, and now we will also store these byte 2 values in shortware. So how we can do that? We can do, because byte 2 are going to store in LSB area, that means here. So we don't need to do anything. Byte 2, yes. So give bracket, and that is done. Okay, so this is the operation from where we can store that 2 byte variable values in a single shot. Okay, so that is the thing, right? So let's say if I want to print those those values, so how we can do that? So for printing values, so to extract those values, what we are going to do is, we will, for printing we will use system out byte 1. So for extracting byte 1, we will again right shift 8 byte shift 8 byte, and will perform ORing. Why I am doing this OR, I will discuss this in next video. Okay, so from here we can get these byte 1 values. Okay, why I'm getting, okay, so plus similarly mistakes. Similarly, for we don't have to shift for byte 2 because it is in LSB area. We only have to perform AND operation with 0x00ff. That's it. So now we are printing those values, byte values, which we have earlier stored in a single short variable. So let's print those values. Okay, so byte 1 is 125 and byte 2 is 127. Byte 1 125 and byte 2 127. Byte 1 125 and byte 2 127. So we have seen how we stored those bytes in a single short, and with the help of a short variable we have printed those byte variable values. So that is the overview of how actually byte and short variable shift operator works, and how we can store the values in a short. So that is the thing. We will get into much deeper detail about this in next video. Hope you will be connected in a coming video. So thank you for watching this video. Nice. Bye.